What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a pretty unique video, something a little bit different from what I normally do on my channel. I'm going to be reviewing an infant pair of sneakers. Now these are the infant Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the latest black colorway. These just dropped today. I was able to pick them up at the Adidas store. So what happens is whenever you reserve an adult pair on the Adidas app, you also get access to either a kids or an infant pair. And instead I'll just go ahead and cop an infant pair as well. So these retailed for $140. I'm gonna give you guys a close look at this, give you guys my honest thoughts, and let you know if it's worth $140, and especially what they're going for on the resale market right now. Alright, with this infant Yeezys, first thing I want to start off with is the box. So we have a miniature version of the Adidas box, and then here's the size label. So official colorway is black, and it says 350 V2 infants on it. This is a size 7K. Getting into the shoes themselves, now the infant pairs are pretty much identical to the adult pairs. We have an all black upper and midsole, and then we have like the pull tab with the red dotting on the back right here. On this pair, I was actually pretty surprised that the laces are also 3M on the infant pairs. I did not expect that at all, but really cool touch and glad they did it. I mean, you are paying $140 retail for them. So insole of the sneaker says Adidas Yeezy in some small writing. And of course we have the reflective 3M stripes on the back, like the 3 stripes on the heel of the sneaker. Focusing on the stripe really quick, so it goes all the way from the toe to the back of the sneaker. The good thing about the black Yeezys is that there's no transition in the color, or you just can't notice it, like on the heel area right here. So it looks really clean, really smooth. Getting into the outsole really quick, again we have a normal Yeezy outsole, nothing different on the infant pairs, with the white hit of Boost right there, and we have Boost written on the heel area. And then in the front, once again, we have the Adidas branding. Now in terms of comfort, the outsole and midsole area is actually pretty rough. It's not that squishy or soft or anything, so it might be a little bit rough on the foot. I mean, obviously it's a children's shoe, so you gotta be a little bit careful. But the Boost itself is super soft. It's genuine Boost, same Boost they used on the adult pairs, so it's gonna be comfortable. But just a heads up, the midsole area is actually really rough. One more thing I want to show you guys is the tags on these, in case you're buying it on the aftermarket and you want to legit check these. The tags are the regular size as like the adults come in, so they look really big in comparison to the shoe itself. And then getting into the label. So just really quick, want to address the pricing on these as well. Retail on them, as I mentioned, is $140. Resale on them is actually between $200 and $300 depending on the size. So I wouldn't pay resale for them. I just think it's a little bit too high. But retail wise, I would go for the $140, and that's what I did. Just a quick little comparison to the adult pairs side by side. Now this is an adult size 4, so it is relatively small. But as you guys can see, it's pretty much the same design, same sneaker all throughout it. Same heel tab area. Really no differences, as I mentioned before. So just a quick side-by-side look at them. And even the insoles are the same as well. Alright, with that said, thank you so much for watching my Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 infant video. Hope this was helpful to you guys if you want to buy a little one a pair, or if you just want to buy it as a collector's item. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more, and until next time.